Hi everybody, I'm Mike Nelson. Well, here we are, February, and it's often the coldest time of the year. Fortunately, it's a short month. Denver and the high mountain valleys frequently see some really bitter cold, and February seems to have fewer big snowstorms. There have been none in the top 20 of heaviest snows going all the way back to 1882. We get some decent snows, but typically it is actually one of our kinder winter months, if you will, aside from the fact that we can get some really cold air. About 2 inches of precipitation was the wettest. That was in February 1934. 1883, only 0.1 inches of precipitation. Now, as recently as 2015, we had 22.4 inches. And last year we had 15.8, which is about double the average of about 7.8 inches of snow. Our main storm threats: cold air, snow, strong gusty Chinook winds, and sometimes we'll get some icing conditions. But it's a month that generally doesn't see as much heavy snow as we'll see on average in March and April. Here are our top 7 months as far as snow in the month of February. 2015 had 22.4 inches, and back in 1912, 22. In 2012, we had 20 inches, 1942, a little less than 20, and as you can see in 1960, 09, and 31. As far as our current winter outlook, colder than average conditions continue to hold across the north, and we see drier than average conditions continuing across Colorado. But I think here's the plan. The La Nina pattern is going to continue, but it's weakening some. That favors that northwest to southeast jet stream flow, which tends to favor the northern central mountains. It's done that pretty well so far for this season, although we certainly have great snows over the southwest mountains, which have been good news for the drought. A lot of fast-moving storms, and as we've seen already this winter, a few good shots of cold air. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a few more of that coming up. As far as the late winter outlook, still calling for colder than average conditions, warmer to the south and to the east, perhaps a little bit drier in the Denver area, and we are seeing that pattern weakening a little bit. I think we'll actually transition over to El Nino, which is the warmer water out in the Pacific, as we get into the summer and next winter. Very active jet stream. The pattern looks good for the mountains. Our storms will be fast moving, and we'll get those periods of wind. Now, we're still in this La Nina pattern for the third straight winter, which is the cooler water over the Pacific Ocean. But this is beginning to ease off, and we're going to start to see shifting to warmer conditions, I think, as we head into the rest of 2023. Generally, those La Nina winters bring us those fronts coming in from the northwest. This year's been a bit of a hybrid, bringing those atmospheric rivers coming in from California and bringing us more heavy snow, which has really put a dent in our drought. We're in much better shape across much of Colorado. The extreme drought continues in parts of Kansas, but most of our state's really out of bad drought conditions, and it's improved greatly out to the west in California as well. If you want to help us measure precipitation, you can become a CoCoRaHS volunteer. CoCoRaHS is a community collaborative rain, hail, and snow study. Over 20,000 weather watchers worldwide, although it started right here up at Colorado State University about 25 years ago, and it's spread around the world. You can learn how to measure rain, hail, and snow. You get a rain gauge to keep track, and it's a lot of fun. If you want to learn how to become a CoCoRaHS volunteer, go to their website, www.cocorahs.org. Go cuckoo for CoCoRaHS, if you will. Here's the February outlook, calling for weather conditions to be wetter than average over the Ohio Valley, northern Great Plains, a little drier to our south, and perhaps a little colder than average conditions across Colorado, with warmer weather expected off to the east of us. 90-day again. Continue a little colder to the north, a little warmer to the south and to the east, and we do see that slightly drier pattern continuing across Colorado. So it's been great news that we have had as much moisture as we've had so far this winter. We are seeing winter with climate change trending to be warmer across the eastern United States especially. And when we're talking about climate change, all the things that I report during weather on my weather broadcasts are related to the change we're seeing with a warmer world. Extreme precipitation and flooding, heat waves and droughts, shrinking snow and ice, the ice caps and the glaciers, and the record-setting wildfires, they all are related to a warmer world. There's also something that I've talked about in the past called Arctic amplification. As warmer temperatures in the far north occur, it's actually changing the pattern of the jet stream because there's less of a north-south contrast. And what that means is the jet stream loses some of its speed due to that lower temperature contrast. It's stronger when you have a big temperature contrast. When it loses that, it tends to meander a little bit more, like a slow-moving river versus a fast mountain stream. And that can actually allow cold air to drift down into the United States like we've seen a couple of times this winter. So it seems counterintuitive, but with a warmer Arctic, you can actually have colder outbreaks that periodically come down across the lower 48 states. All these things we're seeing related to climate change. We see that carbon dioxide continues to increase every single day due to the burning of fossil fuels. About 100 million tons of carbon added into the atmosphere every single day from the burning of fossil fuels. That carbon dioxide acts like a blanket, warming up the planet. And we've seen the warmth. This graph from Climate Central, we're continuing to see that warming occurring. Each molecule of carbon dioxide kind of acts like a feather in a down comforter. We're adding more feathers, and that traps heat that would otherwise escape into outer space, warming the planet. Now, that's global warming. Regionally and locally, we can still have cold weather because weather and climate are two different things. But remember that CO2, that carbon dioxide, stays in the atmosphere for centuries. As a matter of fact, the carbon dioxide emitted from the first Model T car is still in the atmosphere, causing the Earth to warm. If you'd like to learn more about climate change, you can download my book on climate change, written along with Dr. Peter Tons up in NOAA in Boulder and Michael Banks, a local environmental writer. It's the world's littlest book on climate, 10 facts in 10 minutes about CO2. Use that QR code, download a free copy. Have a great February, and thanks for watching.